Hello, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you are my regular subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're just stumbling across this video, welcome, welcome, welcome. You are all welcome, okay? Now, today I have a special product. Every day I have a special product, okay? But today, this one, I love it because my whole family takes it, okay? And I haven't done a proper video. So I thought, you know what? Why not do a video demo? Let my people know about this product, okay? Now, it's a household name, don't get me wrong. This is a product, okay? Anyway, before I start talking about the product, okay? Like I said, my name is Lois Nichols. I'm the CEO and founder of Nicole Fashion. So we have a fashion line, we have a fashion brand. I'm also a Diamond Master with Atomy UK and a center leader for Atomy Achievers Center in Kent, United Kingdom. So that's me in a nutshell, okay? Now, what we do on this channel basically is to showcase. We do product demos, we teach people, bring out products, detailing and unboxing, anything that has to do with Atomy products, okay? We are a group of global distributors, okay, who basically are like the pioneer distributors of Atomy products in the United Kingdom. So all we do is showcase good plant-based organic products that are non-toxic. You should be saying this with me now because I have said this a million times. Products that are herbal, made from pure natural ingredients. I mean God-given resources, okay? These are the kind of products we showcase on this channel. So if you love plant-based products, if you love organic products, okay, you know, if you love products made from natural, from green, from plant-based ingredients, then you will love us. You will love our channel and you will love what we do here, okay? So let's go to the business of the day. All right, I have a product today which, like I was saying before I went back to the introduction, and I had to do that for those who don't know me, basically. So the product we have today, like I said, is a household name, all right? And a lot of you have heard about it. You know, you've seen it everywhere. It's everywhere, okay? So you've seen every other product, okay? You may have tried every other product, yeah. But guess what? You have not tried Atomy Alaska E-Omega-3. You know, I say it with a swag. You haven't tried this, okay? And I'm hoping by the end of this product demo, you will be sending me that DM and asking me, how can I get this, okay? And I'll be telling you, you can register free online. It's a free registration online, and you make your purchase, company delivers straight to your door. How about that, okay? All right, let's get to business. So this is Alaska E-Omega-3, an amazing product because my family, I take it, my son, in fact, my family takes this, you know, it's lovely. And it's, how many? I think it's 180. Yeah, 180 soft gel, okay? So it's, and you take 2 a day. So it's basically like 3 months supply. So you do get value for money on this one, okay? Now, juggle my memory, Lois. Tell me, why should I take Alaska E-Omega-3? First and foremost, you need to take Alaska no, not just any Alaska E-Omega-3. You need to take Atomy Alaska E-Omega-3 supplement because it is the best. Quote me anywhere. All right? I've tried so many other brands, but guess what? I rest my case on this brand. I cannot fault this brand. Okay, so if you love good quality fish oil, then stay with Atomy. All right, we give you the best. You know, we give you the best. Okay, now another reason why you should be taking this, why you should be taking it is because the company has gone the extra mile to ensure you're getting the purest and the highest quality fish oil, all the way from the icy waters of Alaska, okay? And they go get this lovely Pollack fish, okay, known to have at least the highest concentration of fish oil, very high concentration of fish oil. How about that? Remember, they go the extra mile to get us the best at all times, okay? So the oil is extracted from this fish, okay, and it is quickly processed. Basically, it's quickly processed into oil, and then it's stored with fresh what do you call them, natural antioxidants, okay, and then transported, okay, from Alaska. It's transported via exclusive railroad. And when I say exclusive railroad, it means there's no traffic jam. It means there's no hold up. It means there's no, you know what I'm talking about, exclusive railroad. Because the reason being, they just want to get it to the next destination where it will be refined, okay, which is Ohio in US, okay, where it's going to be refined. So they want to make sure they get it there ASAP, okay, so that all the other refining, everything will be done, it will be packaged and put in the bottle like this, okay, and then to preserve the freshness for us, the purity and the concentration, okay. Can you beat that? Okay, so if that doesn't make you want to try this, okay, I don't know what else will. So that's it for me, okay. When I studied the process of production, you know, I said, wow, this is a good one to watch, okay. Now let's go to, I really don't want to go into details of the processing, okay, because you really don't need that, okay. From esterification to fresh refinement to cold extraction, okay, where they actually extract, okay, the omega-3, and then the molecular distillation and the filtering, and finally the filtering, I think I should dwell on that a bit. It's the removal of organic chloride pollutants and harmful heavy metals, okay. So all the things that are not good for us is filtered off, and then the final stage is the packaging, where they now put it into beautiful, lovely bottles like this. It's actually a plastic, not bottle, plastics like this, okay. So that is the whole process. All right, now why do we need omega-3? Elderly people need omega-3 because of the process of aging. All right, don't forget, you do have changes, they have changes in their blood vessels due to aging, okay. So this will help a lot, especially with the heart and the brain function, okay. This is a good one to have, okay. So if you have an elderly parent and you're not giving them this amazing supplement, don't forget, this cannot be synthesized in our bodies. So we need these external supplements, okay, to give us the necessary nutrients, okay, that we need. All right. So if you have an elderly parent, mother, father, or a sibling, or any, uncle, that you feel need this, please don't enjoy this video all by yourself, okay. Share it. All right, share it, okay, tag them, whatever you can do, let them watch this video, okay. All right, we bring you the best at all times, okay? And then apart from aging process, okay, what about modern lifestyle? Okay, we eat junk food, we eat unhealthy diets, unhealthy eating habits, you know, high protein food, high fat diets. You know the drill. Stress, lack of exercise. Okay, if you're somebody like me who doesn't have time to go to the gym, you know, lack of exercise, alcohol consumption, and so on and so forth. Okay, so it's all part of modern living. You know, you need to be taking your Alaska E. Don't forget Atomy. All right, Atomy Alaska E-Omega-3. Atomy Alaska E-Omega-3. Okay, and it's just 2 capsules a day. All right, you've got 3 months supply in there. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, can you really go wrong with this? No. Okay, so that's Atomy Alaska E-Omega-3. I haven't done a demo. That's why I said, okay, let me share this product with you. As I always say, you want to try this product, guess what? I'm going to be putting more details, okay? Let me give you more of the benefits, okay? Because I did list out a lot of benefits, okay? Because I want you to see what you can get just using this, okay? Taking this product, okay? EPA, DHA, you know what that means, helps improve neutral lipid and blood circulation, okay? And then it's vitamin E, helps protect cell damage from free radicals, okay? It helps to lower blood pressure, okay? Helps reduce triglycerides, in other words, bad cholesterol. So helps reduce the bad cholesterol and gives you the good one, you know, all right? And then helps reduce the likelihood of a heart attack, okay? This is a very good one for the heart, okay? So it helps reduce the likelihood of a heart attack and stroke, all right? That's why I said, if you've got an elderly father, mother, brother, whatever, you know, and you're not putting them on Atomy Alaska E-Omega-3, you are not doing them a favor at all. All right, now, okay, it helps reduce the chance of abdominal heart rhythm, okay? So if you have irregular heart rate, you know, you also need to be taking this, okay? Then helps prevent cardiovascular disease. I believe that has to do with the heart as well, okay? Helps to improve memory alertness. Don't forget, when I started, I said this one is very good for brain function. Brain function. So, for memory and alertness and everything, please try to take this or put your loved ones on this. Remember, again, every single product I display on this channel, they are not drugs. They are not medication. They are all plant-based supplements. We don't do drugs here. We don't do medications here. These are organic, plant-based supplements that are as good as the food you eat every day. Okay? No long-term damage and no long-term side effects. Okay? So you are safe with the supplements. Okay? Plant-based organic supplements. All right. So what would you rather have? What would you rather choose? Okay? Wouldn't you rather choose Atomy Alaska E-Omega-3? All right. So that's mine. Go get yours. To get it, send me a DM. My details are in the comment section. If you want more details about this product, okay? This is a new pack. I haven't opened this, but it's gonna be opened anyway, so I might as well rip it because this is for my house. Okay, remember I told you that we take it here. Look, this is how it looks. Really nice. Okay, and very easy to swallow. All right, so good. Now, like I was saying, to get this product, yeah, It's just a free registration online. All right, please send me a DM, try and connect with me. Meanwhile, you want more information about this product, okay? It's in the comment section. I will load some information there so you can read more about the products, okay? And my number will be there, so please contact me. My social media links will also be there, so you can actually reach out to me. All right, contact me. Let me show you how you can register free online, and the manufacturers, the company itself, will deliver this product right to your door, okay? Again, like I always say, the company has a disclaimer on products like this on third-party sites. So if you see any of their products on third-party sites, okay, you stand the risk of getting a fake product. It's the world we live in. People will always copy good things, okay? And then you stand the risk of buying 2, 3, or 4 times the price, okay? So we are the pioneer distributors of Atomy products here in the United Kingdom, okay? So whatever product we show you here, okay, we get them directly from the company, all right? You cannot go wrong, all right? We will teach you how to register online for yourself. Company delivers straight to your door, all right? So till I see you again in my next video, you have fun and stay blessed. Remember, I love you.